Hi everyone, my name is Anna Adlerstein and I'm going to be teaching the upcoming course on first-person narrative and radio. So this is going to be 5 days and it's going to be a soups nuts intensive. Storytelling is just like any skill. Sure, if you have a natural knack for it starting off, that's great, but like anything else, it just takes practice and study. So that's exactly what we're going to do in this course. We're going to practice and we're going to study. So after these 5 days, we're going to have a much better grasp on the craft of storytelling. So during this course, we'll be practicing with our own personal narratives, but the learning that we're going to be doing will apply to any first-person story, be it one that you're producing for someone else or your own story that you either want to perform or record or write, whatever. This is going to be a useful course for you. Besides storytelling, we're also going to go over the art and the craft of pitching. We'll talk about how to package stories to which shows so that they'll be most interested. And this is the type of workshop I gave frequently when part of my role as a producer at Snap Judgment was to be the liaison with independent freelancers. So everybody will leave this course with a polished piece, a clear understanding of first-person narrative, and hopefully also a supportive community for feedback, both now and in the future. So thanks for considering and hope to see you in the class.